I'm Dr. Nandita Sethi, Assistant Professor, Institute of Public Enterprise, Hyderabad. Today, it's a historic day for us. We at Institute of Public Enterprise have entered into a formal collaboration with U21 Global, which is an online global university which provides online courses to students all over the world. The unique thing about this joint program that we have launched today is that you need not come to a classroom to take your education or your degree. You can sit, you can do your job, you can be where you are and whatever time you are, and you can become a part of this online education. Plus, in most of the online education, there is a very formal attitude of being only, the education imparted only through the electronic media. But this course is unique because along with online education, along with the e-learning part, we also give face-to-face interaction. That means the students, if they want to, they can come to the Institute of Public Enterprise, and whatever they have learned, if they have any doubts or any case studies to be discussed, they can come and discuss it in the campus, in the classroom. So it has a double-edged advantage. One is that you can do it without leaving your job. You can do it wherever you are, at whatever time you want to. And the second is you can still have a feel of being in a classroom when we give the face-to-face interaction. We are launching this program in 3 courses. The first is project management. This will mainly handle everything about how projects are to be managed, which we think is a requirement for the day, and especially in a city of Hyderabad, which is a capital for so many infrastructure projects especially. The second is the supply chain management, and the third is the corporate social responsibility. We're going to start this course from mid-October, and it is a very affordable course, so you need not really waste your time on campus for 2 years, 3 years, but in 3 months you can do a course. And the course background is that it is not so much for certification, but really because companies want that their employees should get trained and should get trained in the practical aspects of knowledge, and that is what we hope to give them.